In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Bluetooth silent connections are often caused by the new intelligent audio routing or a simple volume mismatch between the iPhone and the peripheral. So sometimes your iPhone stays connected to the device but parks the audio on the phone's internal speakers or another nearby AirPlay device. So while your music or video is playing, swipe down from the top right of your screen. This is going to open up your control center. Then what you want to go ahead and do is tap the AirPlay icon, which is going to be right here, and make sure you're on iPhone speaker and not anything else, because that's going to be very important. It could be, just being played entirely through something else, which is obviously not what you want. Also, whilst you're still in the control panel, go ahead and check your volume slider and make sure it's actually up. And if you're on any silent mode, you might not be getting any notification sounds because you're on do not disturb or anything like that. Now, the final thing I would recommend doing is going over to your settings application, going over to Bluetooth, and whatever you're connected with, press the I button, and then just go ahead and forget the device and then reconnect it. It could just be a slight bug. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.